roasting my last eggplant here. When you roast the eggplant on an open flame like this, you get a really beautiful smoky flavor, and that's what we want. I'm making a roasted eggplant salad from Santorini. Where else? The way I like to clean the eggplant is open it up, try to butterfly it a bit. Just score this a little bit. That helps the pulp come out very easily. I want to get a little bit of olive oil in the bowl. Clean up my pulp here and dress this up Santorini style. Let me show you my awesome Greek technique here. Most people would be inclined to chop the eggplant first, but we put the eggplant pulp in here and chop it right in the bowl with a fork and knife. When the pulp is warm, it absorbs all this gorgeous olive oil. The whole idea is to have something that's both chunky, but really soft and comforting. I am gonna add a little bit of salt, and I'll taste it to see if it needs sugar. Let's see. That's perfect, doesn't need anything. I just want to get the seeds out of my tomato, and I'm just going to dice this now. I want little pieces that you can feel. It's not supposed to be super finely chopped. Chopped red onion. In Greece, you can sort of tell where you are by what's in the dish. So we're doing a Santorini version. Of course, I'm using capers. Garlic, a little parsley. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This looks like a Greek summer. I'm just adding a little bit of acid, Greek balsamic. You need acid in most dishes. It helps balance out all the flavors. It brings out everything. That is so good. It's really creamy from all the olive oil and the eggplant mixed together. It's got a really nice underlying pungency from the capers. This is a really great dish.